Buganda is the largest kingdom in Uganda, found in the central region. It is governed by the king known as Kabaka. The kingdom is blessed with a variety of food and sauce. These include Matooke, Luwombo, Mugoyo, Balugu, Lumonde, Chetemula, Mayuni, and so many more. In this episode, we'll look at how Matooke are prepared. Tools and materials needed. You need a knife, Matooke, saucepans, basket, banana leaves, banana fibers, firewood, mingling stick, banana stalk, plate, and water. Peel the Matooke with a knife neatly. Wash the peeled Matooke clean. Lay the cut stalk of the banana leaves into the saucepan. Pour relatively enough water into the saucepan to cover the stalk. And lay a cross-section of dry banana fibers inside the saucepan. This will make a knot. Wrap more banana leaves onto the bundle and place the saucepan on the charcoal stove or firewood stove. Steam until the Matooke becomes tender. After about 2 hours, remove the bundle from the stove and unwrap the top banana leaves. Mash thoroughly with a folded banana leaf by pressing with the palms of your hands. When all the Matooke has been properly mashed, cover the Matooke with the leaves, tucking them within snugly. Add about a liter of water with the help of a mingling stick or wooden spoon. Let it boil for about 2 hours. And wow, it is ready. Serve it warm with the chicken luwombo.